Welcome to our channel. Today, we are examining a frightening revelation on Pluto, reported by the James Webb Telescope. This disclosure is one of the most staggering and unforeseen things to be seen in our solar system. We'll examine 10 to 15 facts about Pluto, how this revelation has changed how we might interpret the planet, and what it might mean for the future of space exploration. So, pause for a moment or two and prepare to be flabbergasted. Kindly subscribe to this feed, like, and leave a comment on our video. Music. Video number 1. Unnerving disclosure on Pluto. The James Webb Telescope made a stunning disclosure on Pluto. It found proof of a baffling and powerful force that is already shaping the planet's surface, and it is believed to be an unknown type of energy or matter. This discovery could have major implications for how we interpret the universe and might even lead to the development of new technologies. The ramifications of this discovery are broad, as it is believed that this mysterious power is responsible for Pluto's unique features, like its pits, mountains, and valleys. This could have significant ramifications for the arrangement and development of planets in the solar system and might shed light on the origins of the universe itself. This revelation could also lead to new technologies. As we continue to explore Pluto, we might be able to develop new technologies to investigate this mysterious force. This could lead to a better understanding of the universe and, indeed, open up more opportunities for space exploration. Moreover, this discovery could change our perspective on Pluto. Until recently, Pluto was viewed as a disconnected object in the outer reaches of the solar system. However, this discovery could reveal it to be much more than that. It could be a key part of the puzzle in understanding the universe and could even lead to the development of new technologies to explore the outer reaches of space. Pluto is an incredibly fascinating object, and this discovery could help us understand it better. We might learn more about its atmosphere, structure, and surface features. We may even uncover some of its secrets, such as the source of the mysterious force that is shaping its surface. This discovery could also mark the beginning of a new era of space exploration. We might be able to develop new technologies to explore the outer reaches of the solar system, opening up more opportunities for research and investigation. It could even lead to the development of new technologies to explore other planets and moons. The discovery of Pluto is truly mind-blowing, and it could have major implications for how we interpret the universe. It is an exciting time to be alive, and we can only hope that this discovery will lead to further exploration and the development of new technologies. The truth will unfold eventually, but one thing is for sure, it is a truly remarkable and exciting revelation. Disclosure number 2, Pluto's astonishing features. Pluto is the second largest dwarf planet in our solar system, and it is most famous for its dramatic surface features. It has a range of mountains, valleys, and pits, as well as some of the most intriguing ice landscapes in the planetary system. It also has an incredibly thin atmosphere, and it is believed to have a liquid ocean beneath its icy surface. Number 3. Pluto's moons. Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. Charon is the largest, and it is believed to be part of a binary dwarf planet system with Pluto, as they both orbit around a common center of gravity. The other 4 moons are much smaller and less studied. Pluto's moons are undoubtedly fascinating and mysterious. Charon is the largest of Pluto's 5 moons, and it is thought to be part of a binary dwarf planet system with Pluto, as they both orbit around a common center of gravity. This makes Charon the largest moon relative to its planet in the solar system. Charon's discovery in 1978 by astronomer James Christie was the first time a moon had been discovered since Neptune's moon Triton in 1846. The other 4 moons of Pluto are much smaller and less studied. Nix and Hydra were discovered in 2005, while Kerberos and Styx were discovered in 2011. These moons are believed to be composed of a mixture of ice and rock, and all have exceptionally intelligent surfaces. The 4 more modest moons have profoundly slanted orbits, which means they are circling in an unexpected plane compared to Charon. This suggests that these moons were probably captured by Pluto from the Kuiper Belt, a region of cold objects beyond the orbit of Neptune. This means that the 4 smaller moons are likely fragments of larger bodies that were broken apart by collisions. The orbits of these moons can also provide insights into the formation of the solar system. It is believed that these moons formed from a collision of two large bodies, and their orbits suggest that this impact happened early in the history of the solar system. The discovery of these moons has provided us with valuable information about Pluto and has allowed us to better understand this distant world. We now know that Pluto is much more than a distant planet. It is an intricate, dynamic system with its own moons and potential for exploration. The discovery of these moons has opened up a new world of possibilities, and it is exciting to consider what else we might find in the future. Number 4. Pluto's environment and seasons. Pluto is staggeringly cold, with temperatures ranging from -235 to -210 degrees Celsius. Its environment is entirely different from that of Earth, and it has very long seasons. Its day lasts 6.4 Earth days, and its year is 248 Earth years. This means that a single day on Pluto is equivalent to around 25 years on Earth. Number 5. Pluto's atmosphere. Pluto's atmosphere is staggeringly thin and is made up primarily of nitrogen and methane. This makes the atmosphere constantly renewed by the sublimation of ice on the surface. This means that the atmosphere is continuously being replenished and is in a state of constant change. Pluto's atmosphere is an incredible phenomenon in our solar system, and it is something scientists are still trying to understand. It's incredibly thin, and its composition is mainly nitrogen and methane. These two gases create an extremely thin atmosphere that is constantly being replenished by the sublimation of ice on the planet's surface. This means that the atmosphere is in a perpetual state of transition and change, and it is something that researchers are still trying to figure out. The composition of Pluto's atmosphere is completely different from Earth's. For example, the air pressure on Pluto is about 1/millionth of the pressure on Earth. This low pressure, combined with the very cold temperatures of -235 to -210 degrees Celsius, makes it difficult for organic molecules to form, resulting in an atmosphere that is predominantly nitrogen and methane. The thinness of Pluto's atmosphere also makes it challenging to measure precisely. For instance, the density of the atmosphere can change significantly depending on the time of day, which makes it difficult to accurately measure atmospheric pressure. Furthermore, the discovery of a mysterious and powerful force on Pluto, made by the James Webb Space Telescope, could have significant ramifications for our understanding of the universe. This unexplored form of energy or matter could be key to unlocking the mysteries of the dwarf planet and may lead to the development of new technologies. Pluto's atmosphere is a fascinating phenomenon, and scientists are still working to understand it. Its thinness makes it hard to measure precisely, and its composition is mainly nitrogen and methane. The discovery of this mysterious force on Pluto could have significant implications for how we understand the universe, and it may even lead to the development of new technologies. It is an exciting time to be alive, and this discovery could be the key to unlocking the mysteries of Pluto. Number 6. Pluto's surface. Pluto's surface is comprised of a variety of different terrains, including mountains, valleys, and craters. It also has some of the most fascinating ice scapes in the solar system. Its surface is continually changing due to the intense radiation from the sun and the various forces that act on it. Number 7. Pluto's history. Pluto has been known to human civilization since ancient times, but its status as a planet has changed over the years. In 2006, it was renamed as a dwarf planet, and since then, it has been studied in more detail. We now know more about its structure, atmosphere, and surface features than ever before. Pluto is an incredibly captivating object in our solar system. It has been known since ancient times, but it was only in 2006 that it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Since then, much more research has been done on this mysterious celestial body. In 2019, the James Webb Space Telescope made a stunning discovery on Pluto. It found evidence of a powerful force that is currently shaping the planet's surface, and it is believed to be an unknown form of energy or matter. This discovery could have major implications for how we understand the universe and may lead to the development of new technologies. Pluto's surface is made up of a variety of different terrains, including mountains, valleys, and pits. It also has some of the most fascinating ice scapes in the solar system. Its surface is continually changing due to the intense radiation from the Sun and the various forces that act on it. The dwarf planet also has an extremely thin atmosphere, which is composed mainly of nitrogen and methane. The fact that this atmosphere is constantly replenished by the sublimation of ice on the surface means that the atmosphere is continually being refreshed and is in a state of constant change. Pluto's environment is undeniably cold, with temperatures ranging from -235 to -210 degrees Celsius. Its days last 6.4 Earth days, and its year is 248 Earth years. This means that a single day on Pluto is equivalent to nearly 25 years on Earth. The dwarf planet also has 5 known moons: Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. Charon is the largest and is believed to be part of a double dwarf planet system, with Charon and Pluto orbiting around the common center of gravity. The other 4 moons are much smaller and less studied. The first spacecraft to visit Pluto was NASA's New Horizons, which arrived in 2015. This was followed by the Japanese space agency's Hayabusa 2, which arrived in 2019. Both of these missions have provided us with priceless information about the dwarf planet and have helped us understand it better. The discovery of this mysterious force on Pluto could have significant implications for our understanding of the universe and could lead to the development of new technologies. It is possible that this discovery could lead to further exploration of Pluto, as well as other dwarf planets in our solar system. The James Webb Space Telescope's discovery on Pluto is truly an astonishing and important milestone in the history of space exploration. This discovery could be the beginning of something incredible and could open up a whole new realm of possibilities. Number 8. Pluto's exploration. The first spacecraft to visit Pluto was NASA's New Horizons, which arrived in 2015. This was followed by the Japanese space agency's Hayabusa 2, which arrived in 2019. Both of these missions have given us invaluable data about the dwarf planet and have helped us understand it better. Number 9. Pluto's future. The discovery of this strange force on Pluto could have significant implications for how we understand the universe and could lead to the development of new technologies. This discovery may also prompt further exploration of Pluto as well as other dwarf planets in our solar